Okay, looking at this first problem, I want to find each angle measure in my example problem. So what I see here is that I have my angle ABC right here and my angle DCE. Those are the only ones that I have any information about. I see from my two little lines though, the little arrows, that those lines are parallel. So I have a transversal. It's cut and it's made two different angle little groups. And the two angles that I have information from are in the same position. They're in the top right. So they're corresponding angles. And what we just learned is that the corresponding angle theorem. I'll just notate that so you know why I'm doing this. Or it's a postulate. Says that those two angles are going to be congruent. So that means I can go ahead and jump and say that 4x plus 22 equals 5x. I'm going to go ahead and solve for x. And I get that x equals 22 degrees. Finally, to figure out that angle value, I'm going to plug it back into the equation. So I'm going to use 5 times 22, simply because it's the fastest way to solve this. And I end up getting that 5 times 22 is 110 degrees. So what that's telling me practically is that this angle here and that this angle here is 110 degrees. So what's crazy about these postulates though, is now I know half of the angles, because what I can do is take that relationship and I'm going to take that 110 degrees and I'm going to find the alternate interior, which is this angle here. And that one's also 110 degrees. Then I'm going to find the alternate exterior from that angle DCE, which is this angle here. And that's also 110 degrees. Finally, if I want to solve for my last set of angles, all I have to do, because my inside, same side interior are supplementary, is I'm going to take 180 and subtract away that 110 to get 70 degrees. Which means that all the other angles in this picture are 70 degrees. So there should be two angle values for these, and they should add together to be 180.